Can GWAS help identify new drug targets for schizophrenia? Imagine a world where we can better understand schizophrenia and develop more effective treatments. This is where Genome-Wide Association Studies come into play. These studies have identified over 250 genetic locations linked to schizophrenia. This information is vital as it helps researchers pinpoint genes that may play a role in the disorder. By identifying these genetic variations, scientists can connect them to biological pathways that are relevant to schizophrenia. This connection is essential for discovering new drug targets. For instance, the findings from Genome-Wide Association Studies show that many of the genes identified are already targeted by existing antipsychotic medications. Additionally, they also point to other drug classes, such as selective calcium channel blockers and antiepileptics. These drugs affect various gene networks related to brain function, synaptic activity, and how signals are transported in the brain. Researchers are not just looking at one approach. They combine methods that focus on specific genetic variants with broader genome-wide techniques. This combination allows them to create a refined list of genes associated with schizophrenia. Some of these genes are responsible for receptors and channels that current or experimental drugs target. For example, dopamine receptor D2, glutamatergic receptors, and calcium channels are all on this list. Interestingly, some of these genes overlap with those linked to addiction. This overlap opens up new avenues for drug development, as understanding these connections can lead to innovative treatments. Moreover, Genome-Wide Association Studies also identify genes that are not directly linked to schizophrenia but are associated with medications for other mental health conditions. This includes genes related to cell adhesion molecules and serotonin receptors, suggesting that existing drugs could be repurposed for schizophrenia treatment. However, it's important to note that Genome-Wide Association Studies mainly capture common genetic variants. There are also rare variants and other genetic factors that contribute to schizophrenia, which may require different research approaches. Despite this limitation, the evidence from Genome-Wide Association Studies supports its role in guiding drug discovery for schizophrenia. In essence, Genome-Wide Association Studies can indeed help identify new drug targets for schizophrenia. They reveal genes and pathways associated with the disorder, some of which are already targeted by existing treatments, while others present new opportunities for developing innovative therapies. This genetic information is a significant step toward improving treatment outcomes for individuals living with schizophrenia.